So these are my other supplies that I don't necessarily use every day, but they fall under the category of meta supplies, the meta category of supplies. And so I'm going to put these in the same box. I'm going to pack them in the same box as my other supplies that I just put in plastic bags. So I found this box that looks like a good size. Since I have boxes that somebody else used for moving, they say things on them that that might not necessarily be true. There will probably be nothing very fragile in this box, and it's not going to my game room because I'm not going to have a game room. So after I put all this stuff in this box, I'm going to want to cover that up or mark it out with my marker and then write on my box office supplies. And that'll tell me that it's going to my office and that it is supplies. And at 2 weeks out, I'm going to leave most of my boxes open, particularly my supply box, because there might be a chance that I might need something in this box in the next 2 weeks, even though I'm not anticipating that I will. And particularly these supplies like binder clips and rubber bands, I might run across a use for that as I'm packing. So I'm going to leave this box open once it's packed.